That's everything. This is happening live now at Okunerere Adoration Ground. I don't know, some group of people with some heavy men came at the adoration ground and they are demolishing the houses there, breaking down the fences. I don't know who sent them, but this is what they are doing at the adoration ground, at Okunerere Adoration Ground, at this new site at the adoration ground. This is what they are doing. Demolishing the ground. I don't know who is after this, but this is happening live now. This is happening live now at Okunerere Adoration Ministry. Happening live at Okunerere Adoration Ministry. They came with caterpillar. They are demolishing the ground. The house is there. They are trying to bring everything down. They are trying to bring everything down at Okunerere Adoration Ground. I don't know who sent them. I don't know who sent them. Oh my God, this is serious. A few built-in house, this is what they are doing to it. At Okunerere Adoration Ground. This is what is happening right now at Okunerere Adoration Ground. Share this video to people, share this live. Let the people see what is happening live at Okunerere Adoration Ground. They are destroying the buildings there. I don't know who is after this, I don't know who sent these people, but as you can see, they came with men, they came with soldiers, and they commanded this caterpillar man. He's now destroying these buildings here. A few built-in house that is here. I don't know who sent these people. I don't know who sent these people. Don't know who sent these people. Share this video, let it reach people. I don't know who sent these people, but they are destroying the houses there. This is the new site of Okunerere Adoration Ground, and they are bringing down the houses. See what they did to the fence? They have removed the fence and are now removing a few built-in house here. I don't know, the other, the caterpillar man, and he's now destroying the house here. The other, the caterpillar man, and he's destroying this house. These are the people who came. I don't know where they came from, but they started destroying the places. The other, the caterpillar man, and he's now destroying the building here. Then they are commanding the caterpillar man to continue what he's doing. The other, the caterpillar man, and he's destroying these places. I don't know who sent them, but this is what they are doing. This small. This is what they are doing. don't know the people after this. But this is what is happening live now at Okunerere Adoration Ground. Happening live at Okunerere Adoration Ground. They are destroying the buildings here. They came with a caterpillar man and ordered him to destroy everything here. And this is what they are doing. A few built-in house. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okunerere Adoration Ground, this is what's happening live now. Happening live. Some group of men with a lady, they came with a caterpillar and they asked the caterpillar man to destroy the whole buildings here. And this is what they are doing. I don't know who sent them. We just saw them this morning. And they started destruction. A few built-in houses here. This is Father's Water Factory, and they are destroying the building with the machines in it. The whole machine inside it. This is what they are doing. The whole machine inside the house. They just showed up this morning and started removing the whole houses and the whole fence. They came with a caterpillar man and ordered him to do this. And this is what the man is doing. This is what they are doing.
Just so.
Live at Okunerere Adoration Ground. Some men came with a caterpillar and asked them to do this work. And this is what they are doing. Some men came and asked the man, and this is what they are doing. I don't know who sent these people, but they are here to destroy. They are here to destroy. They are really here to destroy. Demolishing the houses, the fence, everything inside the house. Both the machines used for work. The machines and everything. I don't know who sent these people, but they appeared this morning to our greatest surprise with a caterpillar man, and they started demolishing the buildings. Both the buildings and the machines inside the building. They started destruction this morning. Both the building and all the equipment inside the building, they are destroying them all. Yeah, the whole machine they can animate this house. That Jesus Christ of Nazareth. But I have landed on the sites. This is Okunerere at the sites. Okunerere just landed at the sites. Okunerere himself has landed at the sites. This is his pure water factory. I'm from the woman, not the Bago. Hey, hey! Kusaba, Saba, tá ok. Step back. Put the back, bang your that thing. They are asking the caterpillar man to continue what he's doing. Okunerere himself are landing at the ground. Happening live now. Happening live now. Tem nem isso de fome. Kami se coba tá vendo mais do.
Ona baba ni memo to ya futa ke ya no kulo la kamete. Olo ni
Happening live this morning. They said they got the permission from government house to come and destroy the buildings and everything here. Happening live this morning. Nobody knows where they came from, but the whole machines they buy. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Ah. I destroy good everything. I've destroyed the main building here.
I saw this man yesterday and suspect him. This big man. Because I saw him yesterday and I suspect him. On the other hand, you can have one. Tell me. Big for us. Bread down at the moon.